Good morning, judges. My name is Bhupesh Joshi. I'm excited to share what we are built during this hackathon. Our project is inspired by a real need, the everyday struggle of thalassemia patients and their families to find blood on time. The problem: thalassemia is a generic blood disorder that requires frequent blood transfusions, but even today, many families spend hours, sometimes days, watching for right blood type, even an open blood bank. In emergencies, time lost can mean lives lost. Our solution: the project, the whisper, or you can say mind blend. It helps you in a psychological way. Basically, I'm presenting two projects, two blood banks, or you can say wellness AI. We created the Thalassemia Blood Bank Assistant, a smart user-friendly web app that helps users find nearby blood bank, filter by blood group and city, get real-time updates on availability, even ask AI chatbot for help in fast, accurate, and built with empathy. How it works? Uh, just you need to click on blood banks. You will be click on blood banks. You will be navigate to the blood bank section. Here you can find information by cities, filter by group, categories, charitable, distance, A to J, Z to A, recently updated, etc. And it's a wellness AI also because it has uh, mood boosting features also, like you can find song information. If songs are available on YouTube, you can navigate to them. uh, yeah, and you can view details and get direction, working hours, blood availability, contact information, directly call them, and deadline information, some provided phone as well as, and it will open the hospital direction in Google Map. So I am presenting you two interfaces, and there are advanced chatbot section. So you can search with B plus, B minus, call them, email, or get direct direction. Uh, you can use according to your needs, and you can search all emergency centers, and you can search your query, hide advanced filters, and 107 blood banks right now in 22 cities and 6 states. A plus blood in Mumbai, government hospitals near me, and even you can copy it from here and search here also. So you can get more information. The user simply types something like urgent need for O minus Delhi as you seen, and system instantly responds with list of nearby blood banks that match. The chatbot understands natural language, so people don't just use technical limits. It's built to feel human, helpful, and kind. Even you can communicate with psychologist here presented, like if you are not feeling well, and best way. Yeah, also, it is not replacement of any psychologist. It is just a simple way to provide some feeling boost. You can do breathing exercise. Also, you can do
Hello and welcome. Let's take a
meditation
moment.
here in
Just
meditation
one
section.
minute. Hello
Just
and welcome.
just click and
Hello
you
and welcome.
will reach here. And if we talk about the other interface, like it also has this similar interface. You can navigate through different sections by clicking on chat, or also play
Hello and welcome.
meditation here. Also, you can navigate to here, as I have shown you. There are mood boosting features. And let's discuss about tag stack and highlights. React and TypeScript for front end, and Tailwind CSS for clear design. Mm, Custom NLP engine for chat-based conversations using TypeScript, and API creation using Fast API, Python, Ubicorn, etc. We used Blood Bank directory API, which was also in-house. Why this matters? This project is close to my heart because it's not just about code, it's about giving people hope in urgent times. We wanted to build something that actually helps someone in real life, not just doing a demo. What challenges we face? We face deployment challenges, like sometimes we have missed the import statement, some type errors, we solve them. And in version JSON we missed something which cause issues in deployment. And we are planning to connect with real NGOs and hospitals in future, because sometimes patience matters for such purposes. Thanks for watching. I am Bhupesh Joshi. I truly believe that technology can save lives if we build this with purpose. Let's just the beginning. Let's use the AI for good.